Welcome to Simple Training. In this video, I show you how to create a professional form. First, create a Windows Forms project like this. Now I will show you the practical features of the forms. The settings I use for most of my forms are like this. If the resolution of your photo is too high, it is better to display it on a picture box to prevent the form from slowing down. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.